hot cell model 960Y and 960H. It is designed for outdoor face installation. You can see this module is without left or right distinction. And every module is with handles here. So it is very convenient for our client to install and remove the module from the cabinet. It is with dual service. Now I'm showing the back maintenance to you. Hold on this handle and use the screw to Now I'm showing the front maintenance review. Open this case, we can see that the cables connectors are very clean and tidy. And we use A5S Plus Nova receiving card with this. This is the heat sink, which have a better heat dissipation. It's worth mentioning that the power supply we use can be changed into a magnet. You can see here. This is the magnet power supply with CE certifications. And this power supply can be changed into manual and G energy supply. Like this one, it is the G energy power supply. And the power supply we use is very common, is very energy saving, with common cathode energy saving supply, and which have a power consumption power with 550 watts per square meter, which can save 30% to 40% energy saving. The signal cables we use is with mantle crystal plug, which has a more stable transmission for the signals. Here is a sink to connect the cables. Here is the sink to connect the cables, which make a cabinet look more tidy and very neat.